How to activate TD credit card online. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to activate your TD credit card online. First thing, you have to go ahead and open up your web browser, and then on the web address bar type in activatetdcard.com, and when you're on this page it's going to take you to the interface. So basically there are different ways of doing or activating your TD credit card. So for that case, you have to first of all call the toll-free number on the sticker attached to the front of your card and verify your personal information, example your social security number, your card number or phone number associated with your application to activate your card. And on the website you can go ahead and log in into your TD bank account, and then you can go ahead and find the activation page, enter in any request or security information including your CVV and expiry date, all that. Once you've done that, you've successfully activated your card as instructed. And if you want to do it via mobile app, then you can log in into your mobile banking app, and then you can go ahead and tap the credit card activation button and enter in the social security information and all that, and you've successfully activated your TD bank credit card. So that's how you can activate your TD bank credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.